Let's take this show on the road. Same-ish, different day. I be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in my prime, gotta go get away.
Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I got you a chic spring summer luxury designer haul, including 2 Chanel unboxings. Yes. One is the bag that I had promised you, I think for almost 2 weeks, that I was gonna unbox it. We are gonna unbox it today alongside a second item that I have purchased from Chanel that you may have already seen on the blog when I went to shop the Chanel 25S collection. So, I mean, if you were paying close attention, you will know which one it is. And I also got some amazing designer clothing for this spring and summer season that are completely exclusive. Talking about exclusivity, if you watch one of my latest video where I'm talking about the latest luxury drama that exploded on TikTok, I said on that video that the only way to be set apart and have that exclusive fashion vibe is by having fashion pieces designed and tailored for yourself. That's why I pick up some items from Fabrique, as they collaborate with over 300 fashion designers worldwide, designers that they have worked for houses as Hermes, Dior, Louis Vuitton, and they bring unique pieces. That being said, because they are so unique, if you arrive to an event, you're not gonna find someone else wearing your same outfit, but that also means that if you have an eye on one of their pieces, they can sell out so quickly. So I thought to bring that to your attention. If you're eyeing any of the pieces that I'm gonna show today, I will be leaving them as per usual on the description box below, along with the links for your convenience. But before I show you all the pieces that I got from Fabrique, I cannot wait to show you one of the items that I purchased from Chanel's 25S, the summer collection. Oh my gosh, I have been searching high and low for this pair of shoes. And if you know that these are the Eat Chanel shoes for this summer season. So hard to find, so much so that I was able to find a size 38, but they were too big. I was able to try the shoes at the Chanel boutique when Chanel 25S launched, but the size 37, and they were so tight. But finally, through the help of a personal shopper, I was able to get them. Oh my gosh. Can you guess which ones they are? Make your guesses. Oh my gosh. Yes, they are these gorgeous ballerinas with the raffia. They are just stunning. They are stunning. They are perfect for the season. Don't tell me that they aren't. And oh my gosh, they are just so different, so unique, and so perfect. So perfect. Look at the details, the CC. Now, if you're eyeing these ballerinas, just to let you know, the toe box is a little bit hard. It's not tight, but it's something that you have to get used to it. But I will suggest to keep your true size. They are just stunning. So beautiful, and I cannot wait to show you how I style these gorgeous shoes with my new Fabrique pieces. That, by the way, Fabrique has kindly given a exclusive discount code for all my followers, and those who are new to Fabrique, you can get 15% off using the code 2JAC. I will be leaving it here on the screen and also in the description box below. And don't you worry, if you are a recurrent client from Fabrique, you love their pieces and their uniqueness, I got you a 10% off with the code 2JAC10. And I highly suggest you to join Fabrique's loyalty program to earn points and unlock amazing perks. Now, the first piece that I got from Fabrique, it is the one that I'm wearing right now, and it is part of a 2-piece set. Oh my gosh, when you see the details of this beauty. Designed by Gabriella Flus Tramontano, Italian designer from Naples. This is part of a twin set. It's the Kyle fringe tie-up top in cotton knit. The Kyle top has an intricate knit inspired by the seaside shimmer. This delicate open knit has an artistic ruche halter design with an A-line silhouette, hand crochet neckline with pearl and tassel accents. a must-have for this upcoming season. It pairs perfectly with the close fringe tie-up knit skirt, also in cotton, designed by Gabriela Flus Tramontano. This skirt has the perfect coastal cool vibe with a laid-back, luxe look. I love how flattering it is with a fitted silhouette, mermaid hem, and a shelf wave edging. It's comfortable. It has a stretch lining. I tried this outfit with two different shoes, my new Chanel ballet flats in this beautiful crochet duotone, and my new sandals. This outfit looks perfect with either one. And to add into that coastal vibe, I decided to go with my Celine Claude raffia bag. So cute. Another excellent piece that I got from Fabrique is these Lona stripe casual shorts in cotton poplin, designed by Jonathan Sanders, based in New York. He has dressed Michelle Obama, Kate Middleton, and Lady Gaga. These are not your typical striped shorts. They have a beautiful pleated texture ruffled waistband, hidden side pockets. They are lightweight, structured, breathable. They are flattering for purse-shaped figures. The material is nice and cooling with a combination between polyester, cotton, and viscose. I went with the white and black stripe, but they also have it available in blue stripe. The now casual striped shirt in cotton poplin is a must. Also designed by Jonathan Sanders, this beautiful shirt has an oversized fit that makes it feel more comfortable, and they have it available in extra small petite, XS, all the way to extra large. The pointed collar and crisp contrast trim makes this striped shirt a modern staple. Love the seamless aligned chest pocket. It doesn't look like your typical pocket. It just adds a touch of luxe, crisp, breathable structure. I see myself using this shirt in so many occasions. It's so versatile, from casual to polished looks. I'm wearing it here with my Chanel 25 bag, and I think it just looks so cool, so classic, so chic, just carefree. Love the ensemble. One of the pieces that I was the most excited for is this Vega hand-sewn pearl cardigan in alpaca blend, boucle knit. I mean, you said alpaca and Peruvian, match made in heaven. This beauty was designed by Daphne Wright, from Rome to Valentino's lead knitwear designer. And oh my goodness, this cardigan has a touch not only of luxury but uniqueness. That uniqueness that you can only find on designer pieces. When I saw this cardigan, I fell head over heels, because this cardigan can be used in any season. Perfect for layering, I imagine, on those kind of breezy summer nights. The texture fabric is magnificent, and I love the hand-sewn pearls. They are so eye-catching. They add a subtle glam to the cardigan, just perfection. 42% alpaca, 39% mohair, and nylon. This is a must-have. This next piece is a complete staple. This is the clear sleeveless top in silk merino wool, designed by Thomas Wakeford from London, former chief designer at Victoria Beckham and creative head at Jason Wu. This is the perfect top for a quiet luxury style with an A-line cut. It features a back zipper closure and lining with a gorgeous hand-woven collar that adds to that uniqueness. Styled with these gorgeous linen Eden striped suit pants, designed by Zina Stanik, a designer duo adored in Milan and London. Their work is favored among icons like Beyonce and Kate Moss. The combination of the reddish-brown stripes in contrast with the cream background creates such an elegant look, high-waisted with pockets, super smart design. Love the 100% linen pants. It has this gorgeous loose-fitting wide leg that just pairs perfectly with either mules, flats, you decide. And because it's a must-have, I had to get the matching suit blazer jacket, also tailored in premium 100% linen. Classic mid-lapel design, pockets striped perfectly aligned, effortless aesthetic. It is a spring season, and one of my favorite colors is pink. This Bella sheer button-up shirt in organza is part of the Fabrique basics. It's a dream. The crisp organza cotton is so feminine. It does have some architectural interest. It's light as air, and it does have some sort of translucency, so I suggest to either wear a gorgeous lingerie piece or otherwise use a cami underneath. And I have seen on the website that they have this beautiful shirt in a buttermilk color, a light almost baby blue, and in a classic natural white shirt. You have to tell me what you think about all the pieces that I got from Fabrique. I think they are all so gorgeous. They also sent me a catalog, and oh my gosh, I'm just so in love. There are so many unique takes from different designers. It honestly kind of like reminds me or makes me feel as I'm shopping the Chanel Métier collection, which, you know, it's just that the actual designers and seamstress, all the pros just getting creative, getting their ideas. And I love the uniqueness from Fabrique. I think that is just beyond special. And talking about Chanel Métier, although this unboxing is not from the Chanel Métier collection, is not coming yet. We need to still wait a little longer. This is from their summer collection, that Chanel 25S collection. And you know, it's a bag. So hard to find, but I have incredible, to say the least, an incredible client advisor that is always like so kind, looking for me. So happy I have connected with her. She is incredible. Oh my gosh, when she sent me the text, I was like, yay. Can you guess? I'm sure most of you kind of know, but kind of don't. And that is so special. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Oh my gosh, doing this unboxing. Let me just put it down because I don't want you to see it. I want to keep the suspense. It's a big bag. If you know, you know. The hardest to get. Hardest in general, okay? I got the Chanel 25 in black, a small size. She is gorgeous. Caviar leather. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this bag. This bag is just so me. I always love hobo bag, and I love like how irreverent is this bag. It's just so unique and just so her, and so just, it's not only trendy, but it just sets the mood, you know, like this bag has personality and it's just so beautiful. So beautiful. If you have watched my unboxing and then my review with size comparisons with the 22 bag from Chanel of this beige one, you know how I feel about it. And yeah, I know. So nice. I bought it twice. literally I think these are just like iconic colors, you know, like beige, which is, if you go and watch my comparisons and details and, you know, kind of like what's in my bag Vogue style, you're gonna see that this is not your typical beige from Chanel, but a beautiful beige tone nonetheless, very neutral. I compare it with my Chanel Classic Flap, and then I mean, black is black with caviar leather. This is just perfection. This is just gonna be so good, so durable, so amazing, and I cannot wait to style it. I mean, black bag, obviously, I can use it any time of the year. It's just so good. So good, friends, and I'm just so happy. Did you guess the color correctly? Because I know I hint that I got another 25 bag, but do you guess the color? Let me know. Don't be tricky. Be honest, or what color you thought I was gonna get. Honestly, I was eyeing also the pink one, but that was also so hard to get. I mean, like any color, so hard to get. That's why ultimately I got this bag. I mean, I was able to purchase this one and the white one too, but the white one, I love white, but it just didn't feel me in this style. And I said, you know what, I already have my Chanel 22 in white, I'm fine with that. And I ended up buying the pink wallet, which I'm just so happy for. But yes, friends, I got it. How you like it? This is a new classic from Chanel. Oh my gosh, so excited with all my purchases. I mean, the pieces from Fabrique They are just stunning. I am crazy about this cardigan. The beauty of it, the details, the pearls. I'm sad. I'm sad. This outfit and every single outfit, the shoes, oh my gosh. You have to let me know which of the pieces that I showed today you're in love, you're adding them onto your wish list, and which pieces from Fabrique you're adding to cart immediately. Let's continue that conversation on the comment section down below. Do not forget about my discount codes with Fabrique. And while you're leaving your comment, and if you haven't done so yet, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. If you're on Instagram and TikTok, come and follow me there. If you like the video, if it serves you on any help, please give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. And if you're not done watching my content, I'm gonna leave a couple other videos at the end of the screen that I'm sure you're gonna love. See you then.